Assalamu alaikum everyone. So Bitcoin is trading at $59,000 and when Bitcoin was at maybe 20,000, we still had SHIB at this very current price. So you can see throughout the bear market, SHIB is still at the price of when Bitcoin was when it was at maybe $20,000. And now if Bitcoin is at 59, 60,000, SHIB is still there. You know, one of the coin that may be still giving opportunities to people who ever missed any move whatsoever. And at least for now, I cannot say that much about SHIB, but I think I'm going to bring some few trend lines that need to be broken, and that's going to be right up above here. So SHIB is right now having a rounded bottom or a curve, you may say. So you can look at all these things right at the moment, and it's almost like it's time for it to break above, and you are looking for another very big push. So we may actually see SHIB going from there to there, and SHIB can have the potential to move up to 2000. So we probably are looking for an amazing 2x once we break to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this very fire quick update today, and I'm going to see you with the next one. I love this.